So every time we pack to go camping, I always feel like I pack the same things every single time. And this is a great sheet to have so that you know what to pack, what you usually bring with you, so that you can check it off so that you don't miss anything. There's nothing worse than getting out there and going, oh my gosh, where's the can opener? So this sheet is available in Google Sheets and Excel. I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so we've got 3 columns. We've got sleeping, food, and essentials. If you happen to want to change anything on here, it's all completely editable. So if you wanted to change this to sleeping to like RV, or if you wanted to change this to tent, whatever works for you. If you typically go RV camping, if you go tent camping, if you go car camping, or if you bring a hammock and just go by the lake, this is a great sheet for you to stay organized. This is completely editable and printable. So if you want to say, hey, this weekend I'm going to go up to the Appalachian Mountains. If you want to say this weekend I'm going to go, and so I'm going to double click in here if this is Google Sheets, and then you can just choose the date that you're going to go. Just helps you to just stay organized. Any of these, if you want to uncheck it and start over, you can. So today, if you're going to just say, I'm going to bring a hammock, you can change that. So sometimes if you have a tent camping, it's good to bring a tarp. There's different things that I've used for sure that I've felt like I really, really enjoyed or needed. I typically go on this side of to be comfort. Some people are really strict about no, let's do it real, and but I like to have a little bit of comfort things. So for me, some of the things that I brought that I felt like were really important, I like to have a tiny little broom with me to sweep out the tent to keep it clean so there wasn't dirt everywhere. And then I also like to have an outdoor mat outside of the tent. That really helped. And having that tarp underneath the tent really helped me too, because things are going to get wet. Sometimes there's random rain that comes in. Don't forget your sunscreen. And if you want to just highlight any of this stuff, delete it, put your own things on here. Shower shoes is super important for me, because when we go to we walk to the shower, that was important. So you just type in anything that you felt like you needed. What are some other important things? It's really important if you bring your dog to bring all of their gear. Don't forget their food. Make sure that you're packing meals per person. And then there was just certain different types of coolers that worked better for us. Making sure you have enough ice, knowing where to get more ice. A bucket light was really, really important to me, because I felt like it was just like a nice soothing light to have. And in the evening, I know some people bring the string lights, but I really like to have the bucket light, and then an extension cord. I really enjoyed having an expandable trash can. We bought one of those, and it kind of it squashes down, and then you can tie it back up so it doesn't take up so much space when you're done with it. That really helps. And then we could put it in the car at night, things like that. Extension cords, phone chargers, if that's your thing, battery powered radio, a cot. I got to where every air mattress I ever bought has always deflated, and I really enjoyed a camping cot. And then I put one of those, a mattress, memory foam mattress is on top of it, and it actually is really, really comfortable. Never forget your marshmallow roasters. That's super important to always have. Anything that is, trail mix, anything that's easy, canned food. Don't forget your can opener. Make sure that you've got sunglasses. Games were always really fun. Bring your cornhole set. We've collected games over the years to bring with us when we go camping. And then we just kind of have a set and add to it. If you have a camping stove, make sure to bring an extra fuel tank for the camping stove, because you don't want to run out when you're there. That would stink. And then with a cast iron skillet, another thing that I've always made sure to have is an oven mitt so that I can actually pick it up. And then not forgetting, if wine's your thing, bringing a wine bottle opener, and then bringing things metal spatula and spoons. Like there's just simple things that it seems to be forgotten. You're like, oh my gosh, I usually forget that. So, and I always just made rules for the kids when we went out just to make sure like everybody keep your flip flops outside. Nobody, you always have to take off your shoes before you go in the tent. That was just a rule. So that another thing was the mat. When we had that outside, it was kind of like a signal. And if I put my shoes outside, they kind of figured it out. And then I always had a coffee pot out there. That was important to me. And just making sure to have extra layers in the winter, things like that. So if you want to print this out, you can. You just go to File and then you go to Print. And then make sure it's on a portrait and it's normal, and it should print all the way out. If you wanted to print this out and have your blank one, here's a blank one for you to use. You can also, just uncheck all of your boxes, fill it out the way you want it. These are all the things that I like to have. And then, have this as much blank as you want, and then you can print it out and then put it in your binder if you wanted to. So this is just a super helpful checklist for you to use when you guys go camping, because sure enough, when you go camping, it's going to be the same things every time, that you need to bring. So it's just really nice to have this. So if you'd like to have this sheet, it's available at savvyandthriving.com. I have tons of other sheets that can help you to stay organized. If you need anything, feel free to reach out, and I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, I forgot one more thing. One thing that we did give the kids, I forgot to put this on, was a whistle. That was important that we brought. And then we got each kid their own flashlights. Because when they walk back from the bathroom at night, it's like we don't want to argue about, oh, I have flashlights right there. But we didn't want to argue about like, where's my flashlight? You have my flashlight. So it just helps with the arguments. Buying cheap little flashlights for everybody just keeps the arguments down. So anyways, hope you guys have a great time camping and enjoy yourself, and feel free to reach out. Have a